the once infamous Royal Kludge seems to have put itself back together and started releasing some great keyboards in recent times. And this one is going to be a contender for the best budget 65% keyboard for sure. This is the RK R65, a 65% keyboard that is gasket mounted, comes in with 5-pin hot swap PCB, polycarbonate plate, MDA profile double chat PVD keycaps that are beautiful, great stock switches from RK that are factory looped and nice sounding, well-tuned stabs, decent dampening, and a nice rotary knob at the top right. All of these for just BDT 4200 or around $35 US. It definitely looks and sounds amazing. Is this too good to be true? Stay tuned to my channel for detailed coverage and comparison with the other boards.